Hello and welcome to the Not Too Shabby YouTube channel. My name is Lynn, or LV Handcrafted, and today I have the pleasure and honor of telling you a bit more about the upcoming Enjoy This Life virtual retreat. This is our first ever crafty retreat, and it's completely 100% free to attend. Watch this video to the end to learn all about the retreat, how to get the best savings on the bundle, some exclusive offers, and a sneaky peek at the prizes you can win. Let's cover the basics. The retreat is being held on September 14th and 15th, which is a Saturday and Sunday. There will be 8 wonderful instructors who are going to teach a variety of projects, techniques, and inspiration. We've divided the workshops so you'll have 4 classes on Saturday starting at 10 a.m. Pacific and 4 classes on Sunday starting at 2 p.m. Pacific. Hopefully this gives you the opportunity to join us live for one or both days. But even if you can't join live, the entire retreat will be available for replay, so you'll be able to check it out here on the Not Too Shabby channel. Last month, Jamie shared an unboxing of the retreat bundle. If you haven't already seen that video, I'll link to it in the upper right corner. If you want to pop on over after you finish watching this video, you can check out what all of the instructors will be crafting with during their workshop. This is an exclusive bundle with never before seen products that will only be available for this retreat. The bundle is available for pre-order, but if you want, you can always craft with what you have in your stash. Buying the bundle is not required to attend and follow along with the workshops. However, if you're watching this before May 31st and you are interested in picking up the bundle, please do register for free first. That way you'll get the early bird discount code for 15% off of the bundle. That will get emailed to you only after you register for the retreat. Also, if you pre-order before May 31st, you'll get a free 6x6 paper pad that coordinates beautifully with the paper pad included in the retreat bundle. The code for the 15% off discount will be emailed to you only after you register for the retreat, but don't feel rushed to make a decision, because if you are interested in still picking up that free paper pad during the early bird discount, you can still get that paper pad after May 31st. It will become an add-on that you can select to include when you purchase the retreat bundle. Now remember that early bird period ends on May 31st, but you are always welcome to still pick up the retreat bundle even up to the retreat day, because sometimes folks find our retreat on the day of the retreat and you might be inspired to still pick up that bundle. So there isn't a rush to order. We will announce a deadline for when to order so you can get your kit in time for the retreat. But once this retreat is over and the bundle sells out, it will not be available for purchase separately. Okay, so now let me tell you about each of the workshop classes and the schedule we have for the weekend. Here's a full lineup of all 8 instructors. Jamie, Cassie, Carrie, and Lauren will be teaching Saturday morning. Beth, Letty, Alicia, and myself will be teaching Sunday afternoon. You'll notice there's just a start time listed each day. All 4 workshop videos for each day will be pre-recorded, and they will premiere as a single video here on the Not Too Shabby channel. They are filmed in real time, so you can craft along, and each class might be about an hour or so long. Again, you can use what's in your stash, or if you happen to pick it up, you can use the retreat bundle. Check out each workshop's blog post for the list of supplies and any homework that might make it easier for you to follow along if you prepare in advance. You can find links to each workshop in the description box below. Join us live to chat along with our amazing community and with the instructors themselves, who will also be in the live chat during their workshop. Feel free to ask any questions and let us know what you think in the live chat. The instructors will do their best to answer you. I also know that sometimes it's fun to just watch and chat and be engaged with our amazing community because, well, it's live. You might have more fun just chatting along with Jamie and our designers and of course all of our wonderful crafty friends. The chat is always so vibrant and fun, and I know it can be hard sometimes to craft and chat at the same time. So don't worry if that's how you prefer to spend the retreat day. You are more than welcome to do that because these videos will be available for replay afterwards. So if you want to just kind of hang out with us live and chat and enjoy the conversation, you are welcome to come back afterwards, watch the replay, and craft along then. If you haven't already registered or you aren't already subscribed to the Not Too Shabby blog, you may not have seen all of the details for each workshop. So let me give you just a very quick, brief overview for each class now. You can find out more details on the blog, but really the best way to find all of the details is to register because you will get a series of emails that announces and gives you all the details for each of these classes. Okay, so now, of course, we can't have a workshop without Jamie herself. So she is first up on Saturday, starting at 10 a.m. Pacific, and she will be sharing how to make gatefold cards featuring the retreat bundle. She'll be using stamps, pattern papers, and will also show you how to create a belly band to keep your gatefold closed. Next up is Cassie. If you aren't familiar, Cassie has a Fun Fold Friday series on her channel, and she'll be bringing a bit of her fabulous fun folds to our retreat. This will be a great class for creating something different and impressive, but with ease. Carrie is going to show us how to create our own pattern paper. I think it's awesome that she's going to show us how to stretch our supplies and use them in different ways to create some custom pattern papers. Finally, our last class on Saturday will be taught by Lauren, who is going to share with us some watercoloring techniques. If you're looking for fun, easy ways to create backgrounds and watercolor images, this class is one you don't want to miss. I will be kicking off our Sunday afternoon session at 2 p.m. Pacific, and of course, I have to bring you a fun mini album. This one requires no specialty dyes at all. This squash book mini album is sure to impress, and before the workshop day, maybe I'll also share some different variations to this album, so keep an eye out for that on my channel. Beth is going to share with us how to make a gratitude journal. How perfect for the season is this? Our retreat is in the fall when hopefully we're all going to just slow down a bit from our busy summers to take a moment and enjoy this life. And before the hectic stream of back-to-back holidays and celebrations begins, it's nice to reflect on what we're grateful for, so this will be a wonderful class for us all. I think Letty's class is the perfect follow-up to Beth's. She'll be sharing how to create some fun gift card holders so you can share your gratitude with the ones you love. And of course, this is something I'm sure will be perfect all year long if you're like me and you tend to give out a lot of gift cards for every occasion. And wrapping up our retreat, last but not least, will be Alicia, Call Me Crafty Al. She is going to show us a fun way to make some colorful, quick and easy mini slimline cards. And as a special bonus, Alicia will be sharing a brand new exclusive sheetload of cards printable for only registered retreat attendees. So make sure you register for free to find out how to access this exclusive sheetload. Remember I mentioned at the beginning giveaway prizes? Well, if you're still watching, thank you, and now is the time I can give you a little sneak peek as to what you can look forward to winning. One lucky winner will get this huge prize bundle valued at $150. Now, we know that not everybody will be able to join live, so you'll be able to enter this mega prize bundle Whether you watch live or you catch the replay, we'll give you a few days to enter. You just need to make sure that you actually watch the retreat and follow along in the live chat for instructions on how to enter to win this amazing bundle of goodies from Jamie. Next up, for folks who are able to hang with us live, we want to thank you, especially if you're catching each and every workshop session. During each workshop, the instructor teaching will give away a gift voucher to shop at Not Too Shabby. You'll have multiple chances to win, and you can even win multiple times. So if you are watching live and crafting along, be sure to look up and follow along with the live chat, because the instructors will announce in the live chat how to enter and they will also pick the winner during their workshop. You have to be in the live chat to enter, but you'll be given a few days to claim your prize. So be sure to watch each workshop live to see how you can enter to win the gift voucher being given away during that session. And come back and watch the replay to see if you were announced in the live chat as the winner of that workshop prize. And of course, we want to see what you've made. So for another opportunity to win a fabulous gift voucher to Not Too Shabby, share your makes with us from the retreat. When the retreat happens, there will be a link party that is posted to the Not Too Shabby blog. That's where you can link up as many projects as you've made from the retreat and with the retreat bundle. Remember, you can craft along with what you have in your stash, so you don't need to use the retreat bundle to enter this link party. If you've crafted along with any of the workshops, just share that project in that link party and be in for a chance to win a gift voucher to shop at Not Too Shabby. But of course, if you did pick up the retreat bundle, we would love to see what you've made with it, whether it's something that the workshop instructors taught, or it's something that you've just made with the products themselves. So feel free to enter anything that you've made with the Enjoy This Life Retreat bundle. All right, I think that just about wraps up everything I wanted to share for today. I'll leave links to everything in the description box below. But honestly, the best way to stay up to date on all of the news, offers, announcements is to register to attend this retreat. It's free to register. I'll leave the link to register at the very top of the description box, so it's easy to find. I hope to see you all there in the live chat during this retreat. Thank you again for everything. I look forward to this retreat and getting to hang out with everybody, and also getting to see what my fellow instructors will be sharing and teaching. Thanks again, and until next time, have a fabulous day and happy crafting. Bye.